Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a pressure-sensitive brush and making settings that let you draw variable strokes. Turn on tablet pressure and reduce spacing to 15% so the brush produces continuous marks. Once done, set smoothing modestly, about 0.50%, so your lines stay natural. Draw on a new layer with normal or multiply blending so you can isolate changes. You're beginning the freeform process immediately because these choices control how the brush converts input into editable strokes. Now you convert brush strokes into editable freeforms. Make long, confident strokes so the conversion yields smooth paths. Short, jittery marks create many nodes. Use your app's Convert to Path or Create Vector Mask command to get editable geometry. Once converted, edit anchor points and handles to refine curvature. Then apply a width profile or map pressure to stroke width so the shape reads like a brush mark. This step explains how and why conversion gives full control over form and volume. Finish by cleaning and baking the freeform. Simplify the path to remove redundant nodes and apply stroke expansion or stroke to shape to lock thickness. Once baked, you can paint inside or apply gradients and masks. If a shape still looks jagged, increase path smoothing or recalibrate your tablet. As a quick fix, raise smoothing to 60–80% and redraw the problem segment. This final sequence gives you robust freeforms while ensuring a single troubleshooting tip to resolve common jitter and noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.